Hello everyone and welcome back to another video where, hello, Sam here. I am looking at, I don't know, it may be the June box. I'm sure it's on the thumbnail, so you already know, but I'll find out eventually. Oh, I see. Oh, I think I've just bought these. Have I just bought these? I have literally just, I found these pastel, ignore my finger, I've just been opening another shiny box. I don't know if you've already seen the shiny box or the shiny box is coming, but that on the end of my finger is turning up. But I have just literally ordered myself some pastel pencils and I think they're these. Oh, well, I hope they go. If I've got doubles, Oh well, we've got a few more as well. Okay, we've got a few. We may have we got the full set? And I've just ordered them for myself. I'm not sure. Okay, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them, and then we've got a stay. An a watercolory, a Stablo. Is this black or a pencil? I'm not sure if it's for paper, glass, plastic, and metal. So we've got that. We've also got a paintbrush, a 16. Is that the size? I've no idea. It's one of them. Oh, okay. We've got. Oh, are you disappearing? No, don't disappear. No, stay. 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 There we go. That worked. Okay, so this is a pencil blender, colour pencil blender by Holbein Coloured, which is the same make as these. So I've never tried this stuff. I would like to. Oh, I found the sticker. Oh, it's like a little notebook or art book, I suppose. Look. Ooh, it's so cute. And lastly, we have some illustration boards. 3 of them, 8 by 10, professional grade, cold press, premium surface on rigid board. So obviously we're going to be using water. We want, or this stuff anyway, and maybe a little bit of water. I don't know if these are water soluble. I'll have to find out. But okay, we're drawing on board. So this is what we've got. It's the pastel set that I ordered. They've obviously got other ones. That one doesn't look too pastel, neither does that one. So I don't know if it's like just an assortment of their pencils, and some of them are pastel, but I guess I'll find out. But that's what we have. I'll have to find the Scrawler Box Challenge. I shall have to look at that, and we'll see what we end up doing with all this. So I thought I'd record a bit of process, I guess, of me. I never thumbnail stuff. I never really practice. I just get into it, which may be my downfall. I'm not sure. But I tried a couple of ideas. First, it's very similar to something that I've just recorded the voiceover for. I think it's a video before the one before this one. Something like that. But I did sort of a coastal town in that one. So I had a go. I did like this because it had lots of multicoloured houses, so we could use all the pastels for that. But I decided to do a landscape instead. It's just of this sort of random photo I found while Googling of we've still got a river, so we've still got a watery bit to use them blues. But it was like this autumn with these pink and red flowers and you know, all the leaves falling, and had a little folly and a little bridge, and it was just really pretty. So this is the one I will end up using, and I just wanted to have a go with the blender. You can see I've used it in the picture above for the water and some of the houses. I don't know. I don't know. I like the idea of being able to mix some of the pencil up, and then having some of the texture of pencil. I like the texture of pencil, so I get the point. It doesn't half stink, this stuff. Just letting you know, it's really smelly, but it's. I'm sure it's fine. I feel fine. So there's that. But yeah, I don't know, if you're gonna do a pencil drawing, don't you want the texture? I suppose some areas you want to be able to smooth it out and stuff. So yeah, I get it, but it wasn't my favourite thing, really. But anyway, so this is what I end up doing. I've remembered to tape it down. However, I forgot what paper came in this pack. So I'm actually using paper from the pad that we got in the June sketch box. I'm sure it's fine. I'm sure it's the same. It's very bobbly, which I quite like the effect. But yeah, I was just sat down with this and realised, watching back the unboxing, that oh, that's what that big A4 pad was for. Oops. Oh well, I'm sure it's fine. I much preferred a smaller canvas because pencils have a very small tip and it takes a very long time to cover a surface area. I suppose with the blender stuff we sort of turns it into watercolours in a way. It's like we're using water on watercolour pencils. That's how I see it, I suppose. But I liked it. It gave a nice sort of dreamlike muted look to everything. I think that's what I was aiming for anyway. But yeah, so we have this bridge and we have this folly, I guess it's called, and I do those two in the purple and the blue, and then the rest is all the other colours. And as I say, this picture had so many red trees. It was absolutely gorgeous, reds and yellows and greens. So I tried to show that, and the bit of the sky with some cloud and the water, and I even tried to do reflections. Hey, I'm learning, I'm trying. I tried to do the reflection of a bit of folly and the bridge and the red leaves in the water. So, well, we'll see. So I do this basically, and then I leaved it for quite a while, a good couple of hours, I think, for it to dry, because it's wet, and you can't do pencil on top of this while it's wet. It wouldn't really work. It wouldn't pick anything up. So I let it dry for a while and then came back and did some more kind of detailing on it. But I don't know. It doesn't really look like a pencil drawing. Does that make sense? Am I making any sense? I have no idea. I'm sitting in a room on my own with a dog sitting behind me, just waiting for him to start snoring again. That's basically my life right now. Talking to myself. So yeah, I think I'm making sense. But if you use pencil, I want it to look like pencil, I think. So I like this. I think if you use too much, it goes really swishy-washy and you can't see any detail at all. So I didn't want that. And the colours, they're not really, there's no stone colour. Obviously, the bridge itself isn't purple because that would be beautiful, but very weird. So yeah, once it's dried, you can add the pencil on top. So I tried to give it more of a leafy look, I guess. That's what I'm going for. And I think the grass should have been deeper green, but this is a pastel set, so we didn't really have much of a darker green, but it would have been good to have a darker green, I think, for this particular picture. And I think it came to a stage where I was just overworking it and making it look more blobby than maybe it would have if I hadn't have overworked it. So yeah, I mean, it's okay. Again, I think I need to take some of those Skillshare classes. Obviously, hashtag not sponsored, but would like to be. But yeah, some classes on how to use coloured pencils, because it kind of looks like what I meant it to, but not in a amazingly great way. So that'd be nice, I think, just to start skilling up a bit. I've been faffing about and just doing what I always do, and I don't think I'm not getting any better. I don't think so. So maybe maybe I should do some videos and some classes and like do a drawing first, then take the class and see if it gets any better. I think that might be an idea. Find some good people on Skillshare, because I pay for the thing, so I might as well use it. Do you ever do that? You end up paying for something and then it's like a gym membership, isn't it? But you never get around to cancelling it. But anyway, looking at it now, I do actually quite like it. I'm trying to be a bit braver, I think. Use more colours rather than let it, stand out. But anyway, that's what I did. I do like it. Yeah, I do. Yeah, and I put some water underneath the bridge. But anyway, that's what I did. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe and all of that awesome business. All peely stuff. But I will see you next time for whatever we get up to. Bye.